Founders in Onpassive. Our belief in Onpassive is unshakable. No one or any other company operating now is going to give us founders what Onpassive has given us. The value we receive from Onpassive is mind-blowing. No one is looking forward to Onpassive opening to the world more than Mr. Ashmukh Fareh and his family and technical staff and most founders. Our belief in Onpassive is stronger than when we were first introduced to Onpassive. Onpassive has gotten stronger and stronger each day. Onpassive is like a snowball in snow that starts out small, and the more it rolls, the bigger and bigger it gets. Founders are in that position now. Competitors are waking up. They know that Onpassive is real. They have done their due diligence. They have researched Mr. Ashmukh Fareh and they know that he is legitimate. They see the infrastructure that is in place with Onpassive. They know exactly where Onpassive is located in Hyderabad. They know that Onpassive occupies this beautiful building that is housing the brilliant technical people that Mr. Ashmukh Fareh has hired to work for Onpassive. The reason they know that is because they used to work for them. Onpassive is here to stay. No one has our interests more than Mr. Ashmukh Fareh and his family. He is building Onpassive for all of us. Let us all support him 100%. Think about this, every successful company does not offer to its members founder positions. Onpassive does. The only way people could be part of those giant companies is that they become shareholders by buying stock. Onpassive's founders don't have to worry about that. We are so in it to win it. John White, USA.